Okay, hello everyone and welcome back. Guys, today we're looking at probability. Might be the most important thing we study here this first trimester, so I'm hoping that you guys do well on it. Guys, today's objective, to define and find different probabilities, okay? And something can be certain to happen or impossible, and everything in between, okay? This is like 50-50, like heads or tails, okay? The essential question, and you're going to need this for the notes assessment, is there a way to measure how likely it is for an event to occur? Well, it turns out there is. It's called probability. All right, that's exactly what it does. It measures how likely it is for an event to occur. All right, what's the chance of something happening? That's the probability. It can be a percent, like 0 to 100%, or it can be a number. It can be a fraction or a decimal between 0 and 1. All right, y'all, when you gather data, from some observations, you can calculate an experimental probability. You take all the number of trials and put that underneath. All right, again, it's a ratio. Percent, probability is a fraction, okay? Number of times some event occurs is on top, number of trials on the bottom. All right, you flip a coin 50 times, 26 heads, 24 tails. You use that for your probability calculation, whatever you get in your experiment. All right, sometimes actual results, you guys, they're difficult to conduct. So in order to find experimental probabilities, we use a simulation. It will generate lots of outcomes. Right? And from those, we can measure the events we're looking for. Okay? Again, a simulation. It generates lots of outcomes. And we use that as a model. All right? Guys, think if you roll a numbered cube. The possible outcomes, there's 6 of them. All right? The set of all possible outcomes is the sample space, and we talked about that before. We can calculate this thing called a theoretical probability. Okay, we're not measuring the number of outcomes. We're just looking at all the total possibilities. All right, we're not doing an experiment. All right. Guys, all the total possible outcomes is n, that goes on the bottom. And the outcomes that we're measuring, all right, the events that we're interested in measuring goes on top. Guys, also there's a thing called the complement of an event, which is all the possible outcomes that are not the event. It's everything that's not the event. So when you add up those two probabilities, you get 1 or 100%. Okay? Now, if you roll a dice, what's the probability? This is example 1. The probability to land on a 2. There's only one way to get a 2, but there's 6 total possible outcomes. So 1 out of 6, that's 17%, okay? That's the probability of getting any number, not just a 2. Any single number, 1 out of 6. So example 2, if you roll the dice once, what's the probability it will not land on 4? All right, again, rolling a 4, the chance is 1 out of 6. So not rolling a 4 is 1 minus 1 out of 6, or 5 out of 6. Of course it's 5 out of 6. All right. Example 3, let's say we flip a coin 40 times, and I get 22 heads. You use that to calculate the experimental probability. Okay, 22 divided by 40 is 11 over 20, that's 55%. That's the experimental probability based on the results of all our 40 trials. Okay? As example 4, think of a jar of marbles. There's 100 marbles in there. We got 30 red ones, 50 blue, and 20 are white. And we're going to pick one marble from the jar. What are the probabilities of getting? This first one is the probability of getting a red one. Well, there's 30 red ones. It says it up here. All right, so 30 out of 100 is 30%. The probability of getting a blue one, there's 50 blue marbles, so 50 out of 100, that's 50%, okay? Now think of this, the same jar. What's the probability of not getting a white one? Well, that's 1 minus the probability of getting a white one. And there's 20 white ones. So 20 over 100, that's the probability of getting a white one. You go 1 minus that. So 1 minus 1/5 is 4/5. It's 80%. Of course it is. Because it could be red or blue, which is our second problem here. What's the probability of getting a red or a blue one? It's the same. It's 80%, of course. It's the same probability of not getting a white one. Okay, we can just calculate it 2 different ways. All right, right now, y'all, again, in this top green folder, you should be in it right now, in fact, watching this video. Fill out today's notes assignment and complete the summary. All right, the answers are right here in this video. And guys, and come back for this, or prepare for the Zoom meeting, the vocabulary meeting. We'll go through the words so you can get the vocabulary assessment right. Okay, these are the vocabulary words right here. All right, the answers are above. All right, thanks, that's it.